about 6:15, ran 6:17. And Tom just missing it. Boysman. Zach Klump out of Patoka, Indiana. Beautiful 65 Chevy 2. And Kevin Adams on the power side, right-hand lane out of Terre Haute. Also a Chevy 2, but 67's the year. Using the Schmidt 600 cubic inch engine for vitamin. So Kevin will be chasing just about a second head start on the tree. And Kevin just barely tickling the bulbs out there on the right-hand lane.